And told us why we always gotta stay in here because we gotta hunt these deers. Ooh, what the heck is this? What's up? What? I'm your best friend. I'm gonna forgive. You're my revenge. You're gonna die. Die. Oh my god. Hug me, hug me. We're so dead. Ah! Did you hear something? Hmm. No, I think. Wait a minute. I just heard something. Wait a minute. That's my voice. That's my voice. I heard my voice. Well, I think someone cosplaying us. Well, that's cool. Wait a minute. What? Oh my god. Now I'm gonna eat y'all up like a big hyena. Oh my god, what's that? They're all around us. I don't know. Maybe we could. Wait a minute. Why is there a bird on your mouth? You're dead, you're dead, you're dead. Oh, now I get it. You are the one trying to make us scared. I'm not even that scared. What the heck? Like, this is not how. No, 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 no. Oh my God! Get off of me! Okay, okay, okay. I'm gonna chill, 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 chill. Okay, okay. I got you. Well, I'm gonna just go. I'm gonna go. Okay, fine. Look, well, next time I'm gonna eat them. Oh, you not gonna eat them. Now go home. Okay. But first, well, we're going home. Like, Everett. Now stay out, you. I'm sorry, hyenas. I'm so sorry. But we got our new guests.